This is a bridge clip. This is part of your Albert scanner. What it's for is to connect these two portions of the boards that connect all the cameras around. This fits in underneath. It pops in like a Lego. If you're familiar with the toy, this is fairly simple. Just make sure each board is lined up and push inward. You have to make sure that the back and the front for both of them are pushed all the way in to make a solid connection. You have one point, you have another point over here, and another on the other side over here. It's important that you make sure that all these connections are secure, for the purpose that when you start up the scanner and you turn on the software, you're going to have all the lights in multiple colors flashing around. That means everything's successful at that point.
To push these in properly, make sure you get your finger all the way in the back. Push in the back. You can hold here with your thumb on the top as well. While you push, and then bring your finger up closer to the end. Push there again. Make sure it's secure in the back and in the front.